guys, we just arrived at the job site and today we're going to be doing some stucco. Alright, let's take a look at what we need to do today. As you can see, stucco is peeling off on the wall next to planter and that's a standard issue in that particular location because sprinklers hitting it all the time and the sun. So we're gonna knock down the rest of that stucco that is fallen off and replace it. I'm cutting a mesh wire. We're gonna be using that mesh wire and we're going to attach it to the wall that will prolong that stucco. The new stucco that we're gonna put in there. It will last a little longer. I'm using 1/8 of an inch masonry bit, and we're going to use fender washers and screws to attach that mesh wire to the concrete. I will put links where I bought mesh wire and stucco patch in my description. Okay guys, so all the metal mesh is in and we are getting ready to do the patch. And we are saving this beautiful plant. I have this sprayer bottle because it got hot outside and we need to moisture that existing concrete before we put the stucco on. Alright, well, as you can see, I'm using a standard drywall knife to apply it, It's a tight location, so you have to basically figure out yourself what will work better in your case. But this tool works all right for what I need to do. I keep spraying additional water on that concrete because temperature rising up and it's hot. I want that stucco not to dry super fast because I need to put the second coat on it. So I need it to be still in wet condition before I put the second coat. Okay, stucco patch is done, and I'm just going to let it set for about 20 minutes before I paint it. And we are using rapid set stucco patch, which is at Home Depot for about $30 a bag. All right, we are finished, guys. Took about half day to do it, and it was pretty hot day, but we got it done. Well, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you were able to learn something from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.